Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of financial freedom and a life where money works for you instead of the other way around? If so, it's time to unlock the secret to building wealth while you sleep. In this article, we will explore 7 lucrative passive income ideas that can transform your financial situation and pave the way towards a brighter future. Rental properties. The power of real estate. Investing in rental properties is an excellent way to generate passive income. By purchasing properties and renting them out, you can enjoy a steady stream of cash flow each month. With careful research and smart property management, real estate investments have the potential for significant long-term growth as well. Dividend stocks. Let your money work for you. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to shareholders on a regular basis. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can create an income stream without having to actively work for it. Additionally, these stocks often appreciate over time, providing both income and capital gains. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individuals like yourself to lend money directly to borrowers in need. This alternative form of investment offers attractive interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. By diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers, you minimize risk while maximizing returns. Affiliate marketing. Harnessing the power of online sales. If you have a blog or website with decent traffic levels, affiliate marketing can be an incredibly lucrative passive income source. Simply promote products or services relevant to your audience through unique referral links provided by companies offering affiliate programs. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Create digital products. Turn your expertise into profit. Do you have a special skill or knowledge that others would pay to learn? Consider creating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software applications. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort on your part. Royalties. Turn your creativity into cash. If you are a musician, writer, photographer, or artist of any kind, royalties can provide an excellent source of passive income. By licensing your work to publishers or distributors who pay you for each use or sale, you can continue earning money from your creations long after they are completed. High-yield savings accounts. A steady and safe option. While not the highest yielding option on this list, high-yield savings accounts offer a safe and reliable way to earn passive income. These accounts typically provide higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts and are insured by the FDIC up to $250,000 per depositor. By exploring these 7 lucrative passive income ideas and implementing them into your financial strategy wisely, you can start building wealth while you sleep. However, it's important to note that passive income does not mean zero effort. Initial research and ongoing monitoring will be necessary for successful implementation. In conclusion, the secret to building wealth while you sleep lies in diversifying your income sources through various passive strategies. Whether it's investing in rental properties or dividend stocks for long-term growth potential or harnessing the power of affiliate marketing and digital product creation for immediate returns, there is an option suitable for everyone's financial goals. Remember that patience is key when pursuing passive income. Results may not come overnight, but with persistence and dedication towards these endeavors, financial freedom could become a reality sooner than expected. So take action today and start paving the way towards a brighter future where money works for you.